Today, you'll learn how to create an effective course launch strategy in WordPress even if you're just starting. The best part? You don't need weeks of trial and error or expensive software. With a clear plan, your launch can run smoothly and actually get results. And with e-learning projected to hit $370 billion by 2026, there has never been a better time to get your course out there. Let's dive in, starting with the very first step, nailing your course idea. Before creating your course, you need one thing, a solid course idea. That means choosing a niche you love, figuring out who your ideal students are, and making sure people actually want it. So, how do you validate? My favorite way is to ask a community. If you're running your community, you already have a goldmine. Post a quick poll, ask for feedback, and you'll instantly see what people want from you. In case you don't have that community yet, no worries. Do some market research, analyze trends, or run surveys to find the best topic for you. Once the topic is locked, it's time to get organized. And for that, nothing beats FluentBoards in WordPress. It's basically your course launch HQ. Here, you can see a well-crafted board to develop a course and also plan the launch. One stage is dedicated to outlining the course, while another one holds all the records of creating the content. You can clearly see another stage that outlines the launch plans. After crossing these levels, each modules are sent to the editing phase, and then the reviewed version is stored in the launch-ready stage. Besides, FluentBoards makes file management simple. From massive video and audio files to multi-format documents, it keeps everything organized and accessible without any hassle. Even with a solid plan, most creators make this a huge mistake. They go into hiding while building their course. Don't do that. Stay present, keep talking to your audience, and build anticipation. There are two proven ways to do that: email updates and community posts. I'll cover both, but let's start with emails. Let's say you're creating a marketing course and just want to send only people who are interested in similar topics. FluentCRM allows you to create segmented lists or tag users by interest, making targeted emailing effortless. If you want, you can also dynamically segment. Once you have your list, sending a campaign or a series of emails is straightforward. You may want to send an early bird offer to existing learners. So let's go with all campaigns and create a new one. The title should be something like Early Bird Registration Campaign. Alright, so there are quite a few options to personalize the email body. You can either go with one of them or pick the visual builder. And yeah, in case you want to fetch anything automatically, the shortcodes are here as well. For now, let's just import a ready-made template and done. The next step is all about providing a catchy subject line. Write one that helps you increase the open rate. So there are a lot more customization options to explore, but let's move on to choosing the recipients. Just pick lists and tags that fit into your requirements, and you're ready to move forward. The last step is all about reviewing and picking a time. Some easy steps, and your first course launch email campaign is ready to engage. From this point, automation can do the heavy lifting. You can congratulate every early bird who enrolls automatically. Let's create an automation from scratch and go with the list trigger where all the new users will be added. I'll just go ahead and rename it as Welcome Email Automation and choose the list you're using to store their info. Then take a custom email to notify them about their successful registration and personalize its body to make it perfect for my clients. Now, making it live will automatically send a confirmation every time someone signs up. Just like that, you can run any kind of email campaign and create automation to boost pre-launch engagement with FluentCRM. Now, let's talk about the other part, building hype in the community. This becomes simple if you're running your community with FluentCommunity. Let's say you're trying to go out of the box with your course this time. While learners are enrolled in your course, you want to create a dedicated discussion space only with them and an instructor. They'll help them to learn directly from the expert. Simply share a post on that and see whether they're interested or not. If you're planning to grow your community, this can be a huge opportunity as well. You can create an announcement like, whoever can help you grow your community can get free access to the premium course. This way, you are creating a hype that is not just limited to your community. You can even share some behind-the-scenes updates, share some exclusive materials, and ask them what'll work best for them. And now, let's talk about the final step, the launch day. You need to have a solid workflow that combines each piece of the system, and that's when the magic of the Fluent ecosystem seriously shines. You already have the goals to achieve, seamlessly organized in FluentBoards. It's all about ticking the boxes now. If you already have a list of early birds that registered for your services, you need to send them email with an access. You can create a campaign with the list of users and schedule it at the perfect time you want. Let's flip the switch to community. Do you remember creating the dedicated space for the course? Easily share the course link and let your members easily enroll in the course. As easy as it looks. And that's how you launch your course in WordPress like a pro. But there is more. You can also systematically organize the post-launch activities like managing student feedback, sending lesson reminders, celebrating milestones, and showcasing success stories. With FluentBoards, FluentCRM, and FluentCommunity, your course launch isn't chaos. It's smooth, automated, and engaging experience. And that's how you can bring the powerful trio together and create a launch system that builds anticipation and leads you towards success from scratch. So, what are you waiting for? Grab these tools today and supercharge your next course launch.